Ki samla pulia ki badan hapedang kajinga ki apok kalama jong ka North Eastern Hill University Students Union nehu su bat ka Khasi Students Union KSU nehu union haka arterik no pra kilapen bena ban syak ban penlong kelas no nadu kalai terik no pra. Henry ha kejuk kapor kila rai ru ban beteng ya kajing ya ki da ka basyong kelain mungor ba klemput ka baar kenta tat hadu ba kajing dawa ka jongki ban weng no ya UPS Shukla kum u Vice Chancellor ka nehu kan urlong. Habakren syakilat pathai khubor u General Secretary ka nehu su utoni ho kharsati ulaong. Kajing dawa bakongsan ka jongi kalong ban weng kam no mardor ya UVC bamenta. Kalajan kenjo syaka shibnai bangi klem yok penlong kelas hapok ka skul ba bat da ka baperkhat ru halor kalawe jong ki samla pule ngim kwa ban pun pulom ya kalawe jong ki samla tang namar kajing bomla trekam ka jong UVC. Kumta ka nehu su bat ka KSU kilarai ban ailat ban penlong kelas biang no nadu kalai tarik no pra. Ulaong bakiseng samla pule ki kerpat ru ya UVC in charge u Professor N Saha ba unkhot ya ka jingalang ka bakerki banyakren halor ka academic calendar jong ka skul ba kenang ban penti kena na ka benta ka jing ya ibe ya irenti haki jing trekam jong ka skul ba. Haba penpau ba ka jinglong jai karwan phai pat lada u Professor Shukla umban phai shu syakane ka skul ba. Henry usamla kharsati ulaong ladangi syam ya kino ki jingtho ne ki jing ai ktien ka bawan na UVC ba upersyang ban wan rung biang syakani ka skul ba ki seng jong ki samla pule kin mi ban syim biang da ki sin jam ki bating e ban khanglat ya ka jing wan rung ka jong u ha kani ka skul ba ka jongi. Nalor kata upuntip ru baki artali ki seng jong ki samla pule ki lashim ya karai ban punjur ya ka jingya ki da ka basyong kelany mungor tat hadu banda weng no shisndon ya uni UVC na kani ka skul ba. Ngi kwa ban pha ya ka khubor shiki paj ba kani ka jingya ki kadang im bat ngidang pen im ya ka da ka bapenlong ya ka jingya ki syong kelany mungor nadu ka por lai beje janmit hadu san beje janmit man kasngi. Ngi kwa ban pen I batat hadu banda weng ya uni UVC ngiru ngin om pensenge ya ka jinya ki Henry ngin ya le kat bala ban penlong ya kani ka jinya ki ka bajai ulaong. Khama shuwa uni unong ya lam ki samla pule upuntip baki la bishar bnia ya ka jinglong jingman hadien ka jingshim rai jong Professor Shukla banwan beteng biang ya ka kam menta kasngi. Ngi yang scam ha kanong rim bangin om ailat ya uni UVC ba undang wan yu kejat biang ha kani ka skul ba. Henry ngi la yo jingtip ba ula penjalan biang ya ka syuti jong u hadu ka khatlai trik no pra. Ngis ngos kem ba UVC usngo thu bha ba kalong ka beshem shitom yo u ba unwan phai biang sha kani ka skul ba da ka bakhmi ba baro ki kanhun ka nehu ki seng bhalang bat kisnong ki thau bat ka jala baro ka wei ki langya ya ka jinglong nong yalam ka jong u bat ba kim kwa shu ba undang wan yu kjat hapo kani ka skul ba.
Hakabiti bet ka demonstration hi kumbang nilai zang ki jingi ki pang hakawi ka sur bet ka jingdawa ka takari removal jong Vice Chancellor takat kum kana ka parliamentar ngi ba Vice Chancellor khamsa remove what they can leave ka ba ushim rekam de ka jing tha jong ministry ka de something ka ba uhi ma uhi extend ka month ni phala de tene ka leng jongi in penlong ki classes kum ba julong to manadu for live je hadu san beje in don beng ka demonstration kani ki jingi ki kani agitation jongi ka dang continue beng but nim nam man tha ka beng pat yu hi re ka report lan ngi pat ira ka recommendation ka leng jong ministry ba ka dong ba kan remove ya u Vice Chancellor dan ni ka president ka ban tha yu ban remove ane kham tam ki ka ba ngi su thu ba kamla ban long ba mangi dang su anticipate ba UVC hi un design ka mon skim phadal de kam ka kumang I ka ta shi team ka ba utho UVC sha principal secretary jong higher education ka ba u ba batai shai wa apanya ka ta ka security na ka central government ka ba ula kan tho ba ula ong ba ka state government ka long inadequate but inefficient de la dangi pe ata ka ta class point ko ka shi thi I ba UVC la tho ba ka ta ka security ka ba an ai kam long bitang personally u Henry ka de baru hukum ju ka total security safety and security juga university hi barakawai te boku manch ong lo jota banta ko mang ui hi nadu ba UVC umdan kan university jongi ka function be normally aga jingalam jogu acting Vice Chancellor Professor Saha ka university jongi ka function normally hi kamdan kata ka no kata ka jingya ka ja ko manchu ong ma kum to ka act of vandalism ka ba UVC umdan ka poj university jongi kum to ka stage vandalism kum kita ki ekir nyamdon show te kaneru ngang ka ulten shai ba nakalian ki jongi hilan tu kasingi bening bang ni ngim syam lap ki dan ngim syep ne ko no ka bon ra ka unrest ka university jongi te ka bujing thok ba jong UVC ba ong ba kata ka security kam di tang personal jongu ka de whole social ba security social and welfare of the whole university ni sing kata de ge bar khoi ka ba UVC isu ko am chu kun thop pelum menchu drag langi ki khna ki nong hikai ki ni husu ki ni huta berkunju khamta me ke KSU ke ba ulah kong tho ulah ong ba kidon kita ke migrants kidon kita ki bro ke bade ki stranger ke university ke penting tu man show penong hi kuma PE ke jinglong jong university jengi ro na do ba UBC ulek nimdan kano kano ke jing kaja khamta me ba minta ni la yuki ba ulah shi me kata extended leave ni la sunu thu hi ro ba number 1 Tekala dehi kapor ini menyimnom penseruan syuk menyimnom penway se kapor ini nak pulih bat mengiru ngin shima kan senja maka bangi ngin plino activity classes bangin penlong nak exams ki pending assignments
kong nong bangi iba ka shi jung si ha kapor ba would extend ye ki leave ke jung let's say kani ka ka ba pen lengok yangi ki semula pulih apa nak listing syak dengan bat minta continue ya ka si demonstration untuk mentah ke ba tengok kalong ba chemistry hi kam tha re u ban un kan lai ka kalif u tha de u tho hi de le ka sti kan ne ke ba u ya sai laj ya chemistry ba chemistry ro kam ka pentrenya ya ka bor le ha ba ma u de we ne ni sa kan tho ba ka kan ka inquiry u tang ba ngai ba hati ni kit sa ni kisi ba ada bu asim asim kalif we bang ta la extend ni kalif ni do khlai tarik tingin na kalyang ka ki su de hui hi ka khabar ka pasai ba ngingin ni ka sarkar ni sa ministry kalong ba baki de ban pha eu ka leave eu na kalyang ministry ba kunjuk ka ban keinginan krang bakan kuta pat ya ka pulih puti ki semula pulih pok skul ba ni do la singi ne la shai la singi ngilak ban kren bat ki visi in charge man penlong kini ki arjan isi meeting kenang ba kilap ban penyai bet dati ya ka kunjulong ka kelas te haju aporo in continue beng ya kan kasih demonstration ado live beje do san beje kenang ba ngap stok ba ka jingi ki kanang teng bat kunjuk ba ka kelas penyai ya kumajulong.
No, I think this is a very welcoming step taken by Nehusu, and this shows the maturity that we have been saying from day one. That our students are very, very mature. They know exactly what they are doing, and I think while the VC is on an extended leave, which of course was expected, I think it's a very welcoming decision, because ultimately we as teachers will always also suggest them that, see, while our fight is on, and the classes and careers also are equally important. I think it's nice to hear that they have agreed to resume classes starting probably the day after tomorrow. Hopefully we'll continue, and I'm sure they must have said the agitation is on, so probably I don't know how they have scheduled it. Most likely the evening time, I think they will continue their agitation for 2-3 hours, whatever be the time, which I think we as Teachers Association will always support, because it is now the question of how fast we can recover the lost time that we had, so that we can finish our courses and also conduct our test, assignment and so on. Maybe let's say 13-14 days during the month of December, and then of course we'll see day after, when there is academic council and emergent academic council, the calendar will be decided, the academic calendar. Accordingly, we'll see next year what time we are restarting and how much. But the important message that we will be discussing among faculty, of course, in the academic council as a body, whatever loss that we had during this agitation will be adequately compensated, so that the academic life and academic discourse has to continue, and while the agitation is until I think the student get what they want, and naturally, like we have been saying, if they are satisfied with the outcome of this inquiry committee, what is acceptable to them will also be acceptable to us. So we are very, very happy, and as teachers, I think we are thankful to them that they have displayed the maturity of taking a decision based on the situation, and the situation currently demands that while he is on an extended leave, I think life must go on, and it is in the betterment of the student that we resume classes while the agitation is